What's up guys, welcome back. In this video you will discover how to add a Gmail account on your Android device. Adding a Gmail account is very simple. Just follow the instructions of this video. I am ensuring you that if you're really interested to know about the topic of this video, it's going to be very useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will be very inspiring for me. Let's get started. To add a Gmail account on your Android device, go to the Setting app of your phone. Tap Setting. On the Setting app menu, tap Users and Accounts. On some phones, this option may be Accounts. From the list of the accounts, at the bottom of the list, you will find Add Account. Tap Add Account. Here, find Google. Tap Google. Here you will see Google is asking the email address which email you want to add on your device. Type the email address. After typing the Gmail address, tap Next. Enter your password. I am entering my password now. When you finish entering your password, tap Next. Here Google will show you some terms. Read these terms and conditions carefully. Then tap I agree. We have done our job. Let's check. Here is my Gmail account which I have added just now. That's all for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get my upcoming videos. Take care. Have a nice journey with the Tutorial Lab. Thanks for watching.